Kind of like the urban wildlife of Australia. They do not mind living in the cities and the towns all around people. They are birds, so they lay eggs to reproduce. They are endothermic, or warm-blooded, just like mammals, and they're covered in feathers. Now, does anyone have any questions about them? We will take about 3 or 4 questions. Miss Leah, will you call on hands for me?
I think I saw this hand right up here in the blue go up.
That's a really good question, and the easiest way is to take them to a vet. It has to be done internally. Next question.
Right over here. Did you have a question?
No. You missed your turn, baby. Sorry. Gracie,
I will
come
let
here.
you
Stop. There's a lot of people. Do you understand? There's a lot of people. Come here. Come here.
Fish, small mammals, things like that.
Grace, come back.
You miss your turn. Maybe next time.
They can live in a variety of habitats, so forests, savannas, scrublands. They typically stay out in the desert regions simply because there's not a lot of roost sites available for them. But they can live in a variety of habitats. All right, so let's do one more.
Do one more. Right here. You have a question?
You want to ask Blue? You can send him a video.
She is about, I think 5, but I'll double check as soon as I put her away. All right, hands down. I'm
Not right now.
gonna do her call one more time.
Gracie. Gracie.
Now her command is me rolling my R. So if I make that funny kind of rumbling sound with my mouth, that's her cue to call. All right, let's see if she'll do it again. Sydney. Sydney.